talk about today is reverse engineering. So I'm going to show you a couple different methods on how you can reverse engineer something up to how I would reverse engineer something given the equipment that I have available to me. All reverse engineering is just taking measurements off of something you maybe want to reproduce, something you need to repair, something you maybe want to make some parts that you're going to bolt up to it, or just whatever. We're going to cover 3 different methods. First method, we're literally going to take a piece of paper and trace out some stuff. The next method is I'm going to use the mill and a probe to go ahead and find locations of features, and we'll make a little drawing off of that. And then the final method is I'm going to use a 3D scanner to actually scan a part. So let's do it. For demonstration purposes, we got a cylinder head that we need to make an exhaust flange that's going to fit on it. So the most basic way that we could do this is literally just take a tracing of the ports and the bolt holes. And we're just going to go at it like 5th grade style. Put a piece of paper over it, crayon, whatever you got, and mark it out. So this is how it works. Using my charcoal. Just lay your paper on here, find where your holes are, just rub it over the hole, and get a nice tracing. So then once you got your tracing, you could literally just lay this on a piece of metal, and if you don't have machines or whatever, you got a drill press. Honestly, you could probably just drill press through this and cut out your holes and have a flange that matches over here. The next method of reverse engineering I'm going to show you is using the CNC machine to actually probe the part and get measurements to design this exhaust flange. So the CNC machine uses a computer to control the motions of the table, and it knows where it's at pretty precisely, and the probe is just going to go in and find locations and sizes of the features that we need. The way this works is you actually just start out with a little hand sketch. And it doesn't have to be anything special. I mean, I can't really draw all that well. As long as you know what it is you're looking at, it's fine. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the probe to actually come in and pick up all these locations, the center locations and the sizes of each of these features. So I'll show you how that works. It looks like this. So now that we've probed one port, all we got to do is look at the screen and it'll give us the information that we need. This bar right here tells us the width and the height of the feature, which is the port. And these 2 bars right here tells us the XY locations of the port. So once we have that information, mark it down like this. And then we continue that process on down the line until we have all the information that we need. The last method I'm going to show you is 3D scanning. So this little guy right here is my 3D scanner. It's made by Peel 3D, and it uses a pattern of light that it shoots at stuff, and then it reads that pattern and makes a virtual model of the part on a laptop. So I'm going to show you how it works. So we'll start the scan. And then all we have to do is go over the part, make a few passes to make sure we get all the features. And then we'll look at it on the computer. So this is the result of the scan. All I have to do is clean it up a little bit and then export it to a CAD file, and I can use that information to get the sizes and locations of the features that I need to design the part that I need. Alright, so today we talked about reverse engineering. I showed you a few different methods that you could use to do it. Showed you how you could do it with just a piece of paper and like a crayon or a piece of charcoal, whatever you got. I showed you how you could do it on the CNC machine, which is the most accurate way to do it. And then finally, I showed you how you can do it with a 3D scanner. If any of you guys got any projects that you need help with, maybe you need something reverse engineered, scanned, whatever, I'll leave a link to my website down in the description box. Thanks for watching.